Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Mr. Nirwan. All right, now we are going to see today a new topic, and that's what in our vocabulary I'm going to show you today. Personalities. All right, we are going to see good attitudes, bad attitudes in the people, and the words of them which can describe a personality. As you can see over here, good attitudes and bad attitudes, those are called virtues and vices. So listen to me carefully. We are going to learn these words at home, and today we are going to make sentences of them now only. All right, just have a look here. Good attitudes, bad attitudes, virtues and vices. What do you mean by good attitude? Virtue means what? The good quality of a person. And bad attitude, bad qualities of a person, that's what? Vices. All right, now today we are going to see here good habits and bad habits of the people, and what are the names we have for them, and how to make sentences with them, and how can we use while describing a personality in our articles. All right, and tomorrow we're going to have two articles tomorrow, and that's what? First is what? Story. You're going to tell me one story, and the person who will be absent tomorrow, will be penalized on Monday. Okay, Monday के दिन उसको penalty देना पड़ेगा, and the penalty is what? The whole lecture he is going to speak up. All right, good. Apart from this one, please don't be absent tomorrow. I want two things. That's what? First article will be what? On a story. You are going to tell me a story, a moral full, a motivational story over here that can motivate the students. Second number two is what? You're going to describe a personality just in few lines with good adjectives and good vocabulary words, so that you can speak much more better. Is that clear? Let's go for the next one. Now, good habits and bad habits. Good. Nobody will speak now. They are going to just pay attention over here in the class. And if you want, so you can just copy the words in your own book, and you can keep on paying attention over here. Don't play with anything. All right, pay attention over here. So we are going to talk about good habits and bad habits of people. Sorry. Okay, now truthful. What do you mean by truthful? Truthful, sacha. Okay, hakikat nahi, sacha. It is what about people? It is not truth. I'm just telling you truthful. Truth is such, and truthful means what? Sacha. इंसान के बारे में बात हो रही है. Okay, I'm talking about the human beings. Now, truthful means what? Sacha, and the opposite is what? Liar. What do you mean by liar?
Jutta.
Truthful, sacha, liar, jhuta. So truthful, the opposite is what? Liar. And if you have any questions, you can ask me directly. Okay. Next one. Honest. What do you mean by honest? We don't say honest. Okay. Honest, imandar. And if you don't understand, please tell me. Dishonest is the opposite of it. Honest, dishonest. Honest, dishonest. What do you mean by dishonest? Beiman. Okay. Next one. Truthful, sacha, liar, jhuta, honest, imandar, dishonest, beiman. Next, what do you mean by faithful? Yes, faithful. Yes, what do you mean by faithful? Faithful.
Trust करना.
Correct. भरोसेमंद. Yes or no? वफादार. Faithful. वफादार. And unfaithful, बेवफा. Okay? Unfaithful, जिसके ऊपर हम लोग भरोसा वगैरह नहीं कर सकते. So faithful, भरोसा के लायक वाला इंसान को हम लोग बोलेंगे faithful. And unfaithful, जिसके ऊपर हम लोग भरोसा नहीं कर सकते. All right? Next one, helpful. What do you mean by helpful? Helpful, correct. मददगार, मदद वगैरह करने वाला, a person who helps. Correct. And what do you mean by uncooperative? See, many of the people, they might be knowing helpful, the word helpful, but they mightn't be knowing the opposite of helpful, and that's what? Uncooperative. What do you mean by uncooperative? A person who doesn't help. मतलब नहीं, समझ के नहीं लेता है, मदद नहीं करता है. That's what? Uncooperative. Getting it? Helpful, uncooperative. The opposite is what? Uncooperative. Next, obedient. What do you mean by obedient? Obedient, disobedient.
Wafadar.
Obedient, correct. Not exactly wafadar, but what do you mean by obedience?
Sacha.
Who can tell me? No, sacha is
किसी की
truthful.
बात को अच्छे से मानना.
Correct. किसी की बात को मानना means what? फर्मा बरदार.
फर्मा बरदार.
Correct. माँ बाप की बात मानना, बड़े लोगों की बात मानना, अच्छी
Sir,
बात मानना,
वफादार ना means
that is faithful, my dear. वफादार, faithful. And obedient means what? मानने वाला, बात को मानने वाला. For example, अभी डैड बोल रहे हैं बेटा ऐसा करना है, ओके डैड करता हूँ मैं, ऐसा नहीं मेरे को करना नहीं है, मेरे को गाय को बोलते हैं मैं नहीं करूंगा. This is what disobedient person. Okay, so obedient, फर्मा बरदार, मानने वाला. And disobedient, a person who doesn't obey
the order.
So, a person who doesn't obey the orders. Okay, so obedient, disobedient. Obedient and disobedient is the opposite. A person who doesn't obey the orders. Next, efficient. What do you mean by efficient?
Consistency, sir.
Correct. Okay, what else? Efficient, inefficient. Efficient, inefficient. What do you mean by efficient? Layak. Efficient. नालायक को क्या बोलते हैं आप लोग? निर्लज्ज, बेशरम. एग्जैक्ट वर्ड नहीं उसका, बट स्टिल नालायक. नालायक समझते हैं ना आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
फालतू.
Yes, sir.
बोलते
Sir,
हैं आप लोग
make a
एकदम लोग.
sentence of efficient. I didn't get it.
For example, he's an efficient person for this job. Means what he means he's the capable, or he has the ability to complete this task. So he is an efficient person. For example, I'm looking for an efficient person to complete this task. ये task करने के लिए एक efficient काबिल इंसान की मैं तलाश में हूँ. A person who is capable, efficient. Okay.
Okay.
Next, inefficient, नालायक. Inefficient means what? नालायक. नहीं. To hell with it. Sorry. Next, active, inactive. What do you mean by active?
Furtila.
Furtila. Correct. Active. As agile as a monkey. Yes or no? Active. And what do you mean by inactive? Sust. Okay. Active, inactive. Active, inactive. Furtila. Next one. Diligent. What do you mean by diligent? Kashtadu. Mehanti. The opposite is what? Lazy. Lazy, sust. Okay. Lazy means what? Sust. Mufis, don't play with your camera. Pay attention. Diligent, मेहनती, कष्टाडू. And lazy, सुस्त. एकदम सुस्त रहते ना कुछ कुछ लोग, काम नहीं करते, कुछ नहीं करते, काम ने धंधा खाइला धंधा. So that's what lazy. And diligent, मेहनती, मेहनत वगैरह करने वाला. A person who does hard work. That's what diligent. Yes.
Sir, you know there are some people who means do their work but are means kind of lazy. So for them,
they do their work but are kind of lazy.
Yes. Means lazy means they have laziness, but they do their work also.
How could be the person lazy? The person who is doing the work. And how can a person who is diligent is being lazy?
Sir, means he does his work but afterwards he is very lazy. Means a lot of laziness is there in him.
Very good. Laziness is there. For
Means
such
if he's
person.
done with his work, so he's tired. That's why he's lazy. Maybe in that way.
Not exactly. He's saying that a person is lazy, but after getting, tight slaps, after getting slammed, after getting scolded, he does the work. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, kind of that only.
Kind of that only.
मतलब काम तो करता है पर लेजीनेस बहुत है उसमें.
सर इंसान है, मशीन थोड़ी है.
But फिर भी उसके लिए एक word तो रहेगा ना. The word is what we can say, we can say, we can say, we can say, we can say. Actually, this person I can say this person is what? Ambivalent. Kind of ambivalent. क्या बोलेंगे ऐसे आदमी को? Ambivalent. 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 Ambivalent is a kind of person, the person who does work, but after getting scolded, उसको थोड़ा सा टाइट करना पड़ता है, फिर वो काम करता है. हाँ हाँ हाँ, करूंगा करूंगा करूंगा, करता हूँ मैं. So ambivalent is the kind of person only.
Sir, because I am kind of not only lazy, but I do my work.
Yeah, after sir, screw you, you do the work. Same, I am the same. Sir मेरे को भी बहुत चिल्लाते हैं. Then only I just start working on it. Okay, next, wise and foolish. What do you mean by wise? Akalman.
Chalak.
Akalman. No, no, no. Chalak nahi. Okay, what is chalak in English? Hello, what is chalak in English?
Over smart?
Over smart. Okay. Yeah, in local English we can say over smart. You are being over smart. What is chalak in English?
Sharp.
Sahil.
Over attitude.
Over attitude, not exactly, my dear. What is chalak in English? Who can tell me? Mujahid knows well. What is chalak in English? Gauss. Chalak.
No, sir, don't know.
Sly.
Very serious.
Sly. Chalak is what? Sly. Okay. Sly fox. चतुर लोमड़ी. पढ़ा था कि नहीं बचपन में? Okay. What is लोमड़ी in English?
Fox.
गलत. Exactly wrong. What is लोमड़ी in English, Mujahid?
Fox.
Wrong. Miss Safia.
Oaks?
No. I'm saying no and you're saying again fox. Yes, Mr. Nirvan. What is Lomdi in English?
Oaks,
Sir,
oaks.
I knew, but did
No,
you
not
ask
oaks.
this question in our previous match?
Yes. What is Lomdi in English? We have been taught Lomdi in English is what? Fox, correct? But the actual word is what? Vixen. लोमड़ी को
Vixen.
इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं विक्सन. बताया था ना मैंने?
Son.
Correct.
Yes, sir,
Vixen.
in our previous batch.
Fox. So what is fox?
लड़का.
What is fox? Correct. Fox मतलब लोमड़ा. अरे लड़का नहीं.
हाँ तो
अरे you
मतलब मेल
खतरनाक.
वाला ना, means male.
Ah, that is what lomda. Okay, that is lomda. And what is lomdi? Vixen. Now you can go anywhere and you can just tell that lady you are vixen. क्या बोला?
But
It is my
in
word
Google
power.
it's showing fox.
Google is what?
Google.
Sometimes
Hmm.
if you
Yes,
write
sir,
there
he
in
showed
Google
us
Catch
example.
22, yeah, you know, sometimes if you put there in Google Catch 22, so Google will tell you 22 बार पकड़ो. But what is the meaning of Google Catch 22?
आसमान से.
आसमान से गिरा. खजूर मैट का. Same case. If you put there in Google, upset the apple's cart. Wait my dear, थोड़ा ठंडा खाने का यहाँ पे ध्यान तो मैं कुछ बता रहा हूँ वरना मैं भूल जाऊंगा. Pay attention. If you put there in Google, upset the apple's cart, it will show there आपने एप्पल की हाथ गाड़ी को नाराज कर दिया. It may show like this. Translation. But what do you mean by upset the apple's cart?
खुद के पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी.
No, that is shoot in yourself. खुद के पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारना. Shoot yourself in the foot. Shoot yourself in the foot is what? खुद के पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारना. What is upset the apple's cart? Yes.
चकाचौंध कर देना.
चकाचौंध करने ना. अरे you उर्दू दोस्त. What do you mean by upset the apple's cart? Who can tell me this one? Plan चौपट कर देना. Make the plan worse of it. Okay? Upset the apple cart. Okay?
Sir,
Upset
but
the apple cart.
also you told when there are lots of people and we have to ignore them.
Pardon, my dear. Pardon?
You also said one word for when there are lots of people gathered and we have to ignore them then.
Are you asking for cold shoulder?
Yeah, yes sir, yes sir.
Cold shoulder. Maybe I had cold shoulder.
Yes sir, yes sir.
I had a cold shoulder means what? I ignore.
Sir, I wanted to say this word, but to someone, but I was not.
What do you mean by cold shoulder? ठंडे कंधे. ऐसा गूगल बताएगा आप लोगों को. But Google is sometimes nonsense. Sorry, let's go back now here. So we had here what? Thande kande. That's what. That's what. That's what. Cold shoulder means what? To ignore. Next, wise and foolish. Wise matlab akalmand. Foolish, dakkan means what? Bewakoof. Ullu ka patta paji. Gada. Okay. That's what foolish. Wise, foolish. Next, sensitive. What do you mean by sensitive?
Sir, जो means emotional है.
Correct. A person who is very emotional and he feels bad at a very certain period of time. बहुत जल्दी उसको बुरा भी लगता है. कोई भी बात बोलेंगे तो एकदम जल्दी लगती है उसको.
Yes.
That's what a sensitive person. And who is senseless?
बेशरम.
Correct. Shameless. Shameless. Getting it? That's what senseless. Shameless. Senseless. Shameless. जिसको कोई शर्म भी नहीं है कुछ. Next one, modest. One of the best word. What do you mean by modest? Immodest. What do you mean by modest?
गर्व करना खुद पर.
Very good, boy. That is immodest, not modest. What do you mean by modest? Seedha, simple आदमी. A person who doesn't boast. A person who doesn't boast is what? Modest. जो इंसान जबरदस्ती का खुद के ऊपर प्राउड फील नहीं करता है, खुद को बहुत बड़ा नहीं मानता है, खुद को बहुत भारी नहीं मानता है, that's what modest. And what is immodest? Immodest, a person who boasts. What do you mean by boasting? What do you mean by boasting? Boast, बड़ाई मारना, खुद की बड़ाई मारना. मैं ऐसा हूँ, मैं वैसा हूँ, मेरे तो अब्बा ने ये करे थे, मेरे अब्बा शूरवीर थे. Getting it? मेरे चाचा ने ऐसे करे थे, मेरे नाना ऐसे करे थे. That's what boasting. Okay? उसको बोलते हैं exaggeration. Next, modest. A person modest, simple, सीधा साधा, decent man. And immodest, एक नंबर का फेंकू, immodest. Next one, kind. What do you mean by kind? Unkind. Kind, unkind. What do you mean by kind?
सच्चा.
No, not dayalu. Okay, what is dayalu in English? Miss Safia, what is dayalu in English? Irwan, dayalu. Gauss, dayalu. Mujahid,
सर
dayalu.
दयालु का मतलब?
दया जिसके ऊपर जिसको बहुत ज्यादा दया आती है, रहम करने वाला.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Miss Safia, what is dayalu?
Mercy.
Okay, she's busy with the coffee.
Mercy.
Correct. Correct. Merciful. उसको merciful बोलेंगे. Dayalu means what?
I had a network
Word.
issue. I was going to say that.
Oh my God, really, madam? तो मैडम चिल्ला क्यों रही हैं आप? Okay, madam को Oscar award. Merciful. Okay, merciful. Let's go back now. Brave. So kind means what? What do you mean by kind and unkind? Clear this one first. What do you mean by kind and unkind? Kind, meherban. Okay, and unkind, ना मेहरबान. मतलब जो कि खुद ऑलरेडी उसके खुद के लपड़े रहते हैं, वो बेचारा दूसरे पे क्या करेगा? मेहरबान क्या होएगा वो? So kind means what? मेहरबान means what? Very polite, very kind person. बहुत ही मेहरबान इंसान को आप लोग बोले kind. And unkind means what? थोड़ा कुछ खड़ूस टाइप रहता है ना, that's what unkind person. Next one, brave. What do you mean by brave?
हिम्मत वाला.
हाँ तो
Correct, हिम्मत वाला, बहादुर. And coward is the opposite of it. What do you mean by coward? डरपोक.
And-
Timid. Timid.
सर वही वर्ड.
Correct. डरपोक, बुजदिल, कायर, फट्टू बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. कायर, बुजदिल, डरपोक. That's what? Coward, timid. Next one, polite. What do you mean by polite?
तमीज से बात करने वाला.
Correct. नम्रता वाला. And impolite, नम्रता का भाई. Polite मतलब है नहीं, मजाक कर रहा हूँ. What do you mean by polite? नरम मिजाज वाला, नम्रता वाला, एकदम ऐसा आराम से, प्यार से, मोहब्बत से बात करने वाला, अच्छे से बात करने वाला, आजिजी के साथ में. That's what polite. And what is impolite? What is impolite? Impolite, a person who is not so good with his nature. Impolite person. A person who's not good with his attitudes. A person who's not good with talkings and all. That's what impolite person. A person who doesn't talk well. That's impolite. Next, friendly. What do you mean by friendly?
जिसके पास फ्रेंड है.
जिसके पास फ्रेंड है वो
सर
नहीं.
मतलब जो हर किसी के साथ घुल मिल जाता है.
करेक्ट, हर किसी के साथ में घुल मिल जाता है. दैट्स व्हाट फ्रेंडली मींस. व्हाट? अच्छे से रहने वाला सबसे. हाय हेलो हाय 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 हाय, हाउस एवरीथिंग, अरे आई एम ऑसम, वेयर आर यू गोइंग, कैन यू प्लीज हेल्प मी, या श्योर श्योर, आई विल बी हेल्पिंग यू. दैट्स व्हाट फ्रेंडली. एंड अनफ्रेंडली, खड़ूस, किसी को भी ऐसे देखता ना, यार कहीं को तो भी आया यार, शिट ये कब जाएगा ये. So that's what unfriendly. Friendly, unfriendly. Friendly, unfriendly. Next one, generous. What do you mean by generous? Sakhi. Generous means what? Sakhi. Sakhi means what? A person who helps financially. A person who helps like a mercenary. What do we say? An angel of mercy. A person who helps like an angel of mercy. That's what generous. Okay? Generous. A person who helps like an angel of mercy. Generous. And miser, कंजूस. That's what stingy. Stingy, miser मतलब यानी कंजूस. मतलब miser, stingy, कंजूस, भिखारी टाइप का रहता है ना एकदम आदमी. That's what कंजूस. Okay, what is चिंदी in English? निर्वाण, चिंदी in English. मुजाहिद, चिंदी in English.
सर वो पोचा वाला.
अरे पूछे वाला नहीं, आदमी वाला चिंदी.
Dull.
No, rigid. आदमी वाला चिंदी is what? Rigid. अभी चिंदी आप लोगों ने देखा रहेगा, आदमी रहता है ना चिंदी, खुद पे भी खर्चा नहीं करता है. That's what rigid. Miser, कंजूस.
Rigid to rigid.
Rigid, RIGID, rigid. That's what? कंजूस, rigid, चिंदी. Generous, जो सब पे ऐसा पैसा लुटाता है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Generous. Miser, कंजूस. Next, clever. What do you mean by clever?
शातिर
Satisfied.
शातिर.
शातिर
आहा हा, चालाक, चालाक. And dull, ढक्कन.
Very good.
Dull means what?
Dhakkan.
ढक्कन. पागल रहता है ना थोड़ा सा, जिसको कुछ मालूम नहीं रहता है. That's what? Dull. And clever, 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 चालाक, शातिर. क्या हो
चालाक.
सकता है, कैसे उसको मारने का, कैसे गिराने का, कैसे क्या करने का. That's what clever. Next, optimist. What do you mean by optimist? A person who thinks positive. And pessimist, a person who thinks
Negative.
negative. Correct. A positive thinker is what? Optimist. And pessimist, a negative thinker. For example, pay attention. Now in this bottle I have water till this level. अभी इतनी बड़ी बॉटल है मेरे पास में, ये लेवल तक के पानी है इसके अंदर. ओके, आई हैव वाटर टिल दिस लेवल. आई कैन से, अब जो ऑप्टिमिस्ट रहेगा वो क्या बोलेगा? देयर इज वाटर, देयर इज नाइस, देयर इज मच वाटर इन दिस बॉटल. पानी है इसके अंदर, काफी पानी है इसके अंदर, पिए जा सकता है. एंड पेसिमिस्ट विल से, ओ माय गॉड, द बॉटल इज दिस मच एम्प्टी, the bottle is this much empty. He will see the negative part. And optimist, the person who will see the positive part. And pessimist, the person who will see the negative part. Oh my god, the bottle is this much empty. Oh my god, the bottle is much full with water. So optimist, a person who thinks positive. Pessimist, a person who thinks negative. Okay, next, happy, unhappy. ये तो हम लोग को बचपन से पता ही. What do you mean by happy?
खुश.
And unhappy?
उदास.
Devdas. Next one, considerate. What do you mean by considerate and inconsiderate?
सो
सर डिपेंड रहता.
Depend रहता है. Not exactly. Yes, considerate, inconsiderate.
सर मतलब जिसको मतलब
Yes.
सब रेफर करते.
Like for
Thought.
example,
Sir means if something happens and means always someone will refer him that you should take advice of him.
okay.
मतलब
I
की तरफ ये करते.
Not exactly, but not exactly. Yes, Sahil.
thoughtful sir I think.
No. Considerate मतलब ऐसा इंसान जो कि समझ के लेता है हमेशा. अपन बोलते हैं ना, अरे बहुत कंसिडरेट है यार मेरे अंकल, अरे बहुत कंसिडरेट है यार मेरे भाई, अरे बहुत कंसिडरेट मेरे फादर, अरे बहुत कंसिडरेट मेरे रिलेटिव्स. अरे बहुत कंसिडरेट है मेरा ओनर सॉरी. सो मीन्स व्हाट? कंसिडरेट समझ के लेने वाला, सुनबिन के लेने वाला. एंड इनकन्सिडरेट किसी को सुनता नाही, मला माहित नाही, मेरे को मालूम नाही, मेरे को ऐसा करके चाहिए बस, मी माझा ऐकून घेणार नाही, मी कोणाचा ऐकणार नाही, मुझे कुछ, मैं किसी को सुनने वाला नहीं हूँ, मैं सुनूंगा नहीं, मुझे मेरा पैसा चाहिए अभी के अभी में दो. दैट्स व्हाट इनकन्सिडरेट. एंड कंसिडरेट, अच्छा अच्छा प्रॉब्लम है क्या? ओके 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 नो प्रॉब्लम, चलता है समझ सकता हूँ मैं. सो कंसिडरेट अ पर्सन who understands, and inconsiderate a person who doesn't understand. Okay, next, respectful. What do you mean by respectful?
इज्जतदार.
Correct, इज्जतदार. And disrespectful?
बेइज्जत.
Correct, बेइज्जत, जिसकी कोई इज्जत वगैरह रहती नहीं, बेइज्जत आदमी. Respectful, इज्जतदार. Next one, pious. What do you mean by pious? Pious. Pious means what? Religious man. Pious means what? Religious. A person who believes in religions a lot. That's what a religious person is. What? Pious. Okay, pious. बहुत ही नेक दिल इंसान होता है ना, जरूरी नहीं है रिलीजन के बारे में, पर अंदर से श्रद्धा वगैरह रहती है बहुत अच्छी उसके अंदर, मतलब समझता है उसको, सब अच्छे से रहता है, लोगों के साथ में झोल झपाटा नहीं करता है.
Sir means
बहुत ही
fair.
नेक दिल इंसान, जिसको अपन बोलते हैं नेक बोलते हैं अपन उसको. मीन्स व्हाट?
Sir,
ऐसा
fair
इंसान. यस,
मतलब फेयर ना.
पार्डन. करेक्ट, फेयर, बहुत ही ज्यादा फेयर रहता है. दैट्स व्हाट पायस, बहुत ही नेक इंसान. एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय बैकबाइटिंग? बैकबाइटिंग, चुगली मारने वाला.
चुगली.
करेक्ट, पीछे पीछे बोलता है ना, चुगलियां मारता है, अरे उसने ऐसे किया, उसने ऐसे किया, उसने ऐसे किया, उसने वैसे किया. दैट्स व्हाट बैकबाइटिंग. ओके, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय
Yes.
स्लैंडर? स्लैंडर. यस, स्लैंडर, झूठे बातें करने वाला, झूठ बोलने वाला. एंड व्हाट इन बाय कैलमनी, झूठे वादे करने वाला. ये तो स्लैंडर जो होता है, झूठे बातें करता है, ये झूठ बात करता है, कुछ भी झूठ बोलता है. मैं तुम्हारे लिए चांद तारे तोड़ के लेके आऊंगा खाला, लाता कुछ नहीं. एंड कैलमनी, झूठे वादे करने वाला. ओके, कैलमनी इज अ पर्सन हु मेक्स फॉल्स प्रॉमिसेस वगैरह बनाने वाला, फॉल्स प्रॉमिस करने वाला. दैट्स व्हाट कैलमनी. ओके, नाउ एनी डाउट्स टू एनीवन?
नो सर.
Any questions?
No, sir.
I want you to make sentences with these words faster and faster now. अभी के अभी में मुझे words बना के चाहिए इसके ऊपर जल्दी. Sentences I want you to make. Sentences faster.
I am very honest towards my word.
I'm very honest towards my word. Next.
My friend is slender.
My friend is slander. झूठ बात बहुत करता है. Okay, what is सफेद झूठ in English? Don't say white lie, हाँ. सफेद झूठ, खुल्लम खुल्ला झूठ. Don't say white lie. Yes, what is सफेद झूठ in English?
Guilty.
White lie.
सरासर गिल्टी है ये.
कैसे बोलेंगे उसको? What is सफेद झूठ in English? Miss Safia. Yes.
You are openly lying.
Not translating.
सर गिल्टी.
No, my dear. Guilty is different. Pseudo. Pseudo means what? Lie. सफेद झूठ, एकदम मुंह पे खुल्लम खुल्ला झूठ बोल रहे हैं. Openly lying. Yes.
Sir, what can you repeat the word?
काला जादू.
I will use it.
Pseudo.
Pseudo.
या उसको पिसुड़ो बोलना नहीं है.
Sir, P silent. Pseudo.
Pseudo. Continue. Make sentences.
Every
Sir,
Continue, please.
teacher of principal.
Repeat.
Every teacher obeys the order of principal.
Good.
My
Yes.
friend
He
is
is very considerated man.
He's very considerate man.
my friend
Yes.
brother is calumny,
Girls are very
Calumny.
girls are very sensitive.
Girls are very sensitive.
Can you please be obedient to your parents?
Can you please be obedient to your parents?
rotten apple is foolish.
Rotten apples are foolish. आज अपना rotten apple आया हाँ word. Nice.
Yes, sir. I was thinking that only. When will this word come?
Continue.
Social workers are very kind.
Social workers are very kind. Next.
Can you stop acting dumb?
Can you stop acting dumb?
All students are obedient in this lecture.
All students should be obedient.
Mia is very honest toward her parent.
She's very honest towards with her parents.
Public speakers are very polite in public.
Public
Look.
speakers are very polite in public. Yes.
Sara
Private,
is a very clever girl.
Sara is a
private
very clever girl.
speakers are respectful.
Repeat once again, sir.
The private speaker are respectful.
No.
Okay.
No one honest in this lecture.
No one is honest in this lecture.
Neither.
Look, you don't need to act insensitive.
Look, you don't need to act
Insensitive.
insensitive. Okay.
Some people are unhappy to make sentence.
I am a very shameless man.
I'm very shameless man. Oh my god. Okay, what do you mean by beast? What do you mean by beast? See here.
Truth.
Modest, immodest, beast. What do you mean by beast?
Immortal.
What do you mean by beast?
Shaitan.
Okay. No,
Khatarnak.
Shaitan is devil.
Khatarnak.
Phantom. No, not phantom. Shaitan is monster. Monster is devil. Devil is what? Satan.
Sir, beast I know.
What do you mean by beast? Do you know this title beast has given to Brock Lesnar?
Yes, sir. I know from him only.
Correct. The beast.
Incarnate
बीस्ट
Brock.
का मतलब होता है दरिंदा, खूंखार दरिंदा.
Yes, sir.
No, I still didn't
Continue.
understand.
Sir, when I was small, when I used to watch WWE, I used to think myself as beast only.
खूंखार दरिंदा अभी क्या बोलेंगे उसको? बीस्ट मीन्स व्हाट? अ बारबेरियन पर्सन. बीस्ट इज अ बारबेरियन पर्सन. जंगली रहते ना एकदम.
My
बारबेरियन.
Okay. I
बारबेरियन. बीस्ट जंगली एकदम. खूंखार दरिंदा. किसी को भी मारने का, कैसे भी काटने पीटने का. घुसना इधर. कंटिन्यू.
Rotten apple have a habit of backbiting.
Very good. Rotten apples have the habit of backbiting.
A very unfriendly girl.
Good.
My family is clever.
Good.
He becomes brave towards us, but why he is coward in front of them?
Very good.
My friend is generous with me.
Very good. My friend is generous with me.
That guy is really active.
Good.
You know that you are foolish, right?
Good.
My friends are dumb.
Good. Yes.
I promise I will be honest with you.
Very good.
Why our school is so uncooperative?
Uncooperative. Very good.
My,
Mujahid.
This
my
boy is really disobedient towards my
polite.
parents.
Very good.
So what is the meaning of efficient?
Efficient. Layak. Able. We can say he's
Wrong.
able. He has the ability to perform. He's good with it.
So we can't
That's
say
what.
like that. You're not efficient with me. Or
You're
for
not
me.
efficient with
Prithvi
me.
Shaw is
For me.
inefficient
Not
with
exactly.
Jaikin.
Yeah, we
Okay.
can say you're not efficient for me.
Yeah, you're not
आप
efficient for
आप
me.
करेक्ट. आप मेरे लायक नहीं है. ऐसा.
Friend is brave
Salman
than
Khan is inefficient with Bollywood.
Very good. Yes,
gang violence
efficient.
clever because they want money.
Very good.
Now I can use
Only
Yes,
efficient player get a chance to wear Indian jersey.
correct. Only efficient
Liar, liar,
players.
things on fire.
Repeat.
Liar, liar, jigs on fire.
Okay, liar.
Some people
Yes.
feel catch 22. They are happy.
Good.
Your unfaithfulness made me the beast today.
Very good. Your unfaithfulness made me the beast today. Nice.
Lazy
I saw a beast
to
yesterday.
give excuses.
I saw a beast yesterday. Yes, Sahil.
Lazy persons are used to give excuses.
Pa-
Very good. Lazy people give
I'm
excuses. Yes.
sensitive.
Parents are very sensitive their children
For the children. Parents are very sensitive for the children.
for the
Yes.
children.
Your so much politeness just made my day.
Very good. Your consideration made my day awesome.
Your dishonesty screwed my day.
Good. I never have seen such
Inactiveness,
coward people in my life.
Can
due
you
to
stop
your
acting so
inactiveness,
friendly?
we know the result.
Yes, repeat once again.
Your
The,
senseless ideas just make our loss.
the legless people are shameless.
Romantic peoples are the biggest cylinder on the planet.
Oh my god, romantic people are the biggest slander on the planet.
Slander मतलब
झूठ बात करने वाले, झूठे मक्कार, फरेबी. Continue please. Fraud,
your
cheater,
disobedience towards your parents will not make your career.
your disobedience.
I think you are sensitive.
I think you're quite sensitive.
If you are unkind to your parents, then you are not kind to yourself.
Very good.
Politicians are very used to do calumny in front of people.
If you are happy, I am happy.
Politicians are calumny in front of people. Yes.
If you are
I'm
happy,
very happy because my birthday is there.
Okay, I'm happy. Actually, that it is not that happy. It is that happy person. I'm happy to have your company. I'm happy
Some
to make your
battery
acquaintance.
driver are dull.
Dull as ditch water.
your friendliness just made our day. By the
Very
way,
good. Good.
Can we please be
We
faithful with each other?
Can you please be faithful with each other?
Your
Good.
father give me respect and you are shameless.
Your father respects me and you are quite
Your father
shameless.
respect me and you are shameless like your brother.
Very good.
what is failure?
Failure. Failure is the first step of success.
Uh,
we were happy when result come.
what is
Result nahi,
success?
results.
Chapter after failure.
What is the chapter
My,
after failure? It is success.
Yes, I said that only.
That's really
my
good.
friend is calumny because he has a small brother like Slender.
Due
Good.
to your braveness, I announce that you are the captain of the team.
Very good.
Elon Musk is
I
very
saw
wise
something
in
generous in you.
current time.
Repeat once again.
Coward people don't have place in UFC.
Very good.
Elon Musk is very wise scientist in current time.
Very good. Elon Musk.
I saw something generous in you.
I saw something generous in you. Next,
APJ Abdul
Zainab.
Kalam
Conor
is
McGregor is the bravest fighter.
Very good.
APJ Abdul Kalam is happy to speak and to feel.
Okay.
I think you are helpful people because you help blind people.
I think you're helpful people as you help blind people. Next,
Sir,
The
Optimus.
fighter in the history of UFC.
very good. Yes, ma'am.
Optimus means
A person who thinks positive, a
Khabib is the
positive
most
thinker.
respectful fighter in UFC.
Good.
Positive people are happy. You
Okay.
are you are
Optimist people are
truthful.
happy.
You are truthful people because you are saying truth.
I am
Okay.
sure if we are together, will be Optimus.
The movie is
Very good.
dull ditch water.
Good. The movie is as dull as ditch water. Yes.
My father's friend is unfriendly.
My father's friend is unfriendly.
Your unfaithfulness towards our team made the other team win.
Very good. All right. Let's have some personalities over here, right? Now, as we have finished with our sentences, we are going to go towards the next one, and that's what? Some personalities. Now, personality means what? The nature of the people, the behavior of the people, the character of the people. Okay? That's what? That's what personality. Point number one, sadistic. Repeat sadistic.
Sadistic.
Sadistic. Repeat sadistic.
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 What do you mean by sadistic? Sadistic. What do you mean by sadistic?
I don't know, sir.
Yes?
We don't know.
सैड पर्सन मतलब ही नहीं वो रहता है ना क्या बोलते हैं अपना दुखी आत्मा अ पर्सन हु अ सेल्फ अब्यूज्ड पर्सन खुद को ही गाली देते रहता है मैं कितना बड़ा छपरी है ना यार मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं आता यार मेरे से कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता यार मैं कितना मंगा हूं यार करेक्ट गम में डूबा हुआ गेटिंग इट या दैट्स व्हाट सैडिस्टिक नेक्स्ट वन ब्लाजे सैडिस्टिक मतलब है नहीं ऐसा इंसान जो खुद को ही गाली देता है खुद को ही मतलब कमतर समझता है खुद को कमजोर समझता है नेक्स्ट वन ब्लाजे रिपीट ब्लाजे सो दैट्स व्हाट ब्लाजे हु इज ब्लाजे
ब्लेम करने वाला सर.
यस
सर ब्लेम करने वाला.
ब्लाजे नो ब्लेम नहीं करता है वो
Unimpressed.
अनइम्प्रेस्ड यस ब्लाजे ब्लाजे Blase means a person who doesn't run after the world. A person who doesn't run after the world. जो दुनिया के पीछे नहीं भागता है अपना अकेला अकेला रहता है. A person who doesn't run after the world. अपना अकेला अकेला रहता है दुनिया के पीछे नहीं भागता है. That's what blase. Next. Dogmatic. What do you mean by dogmatic? पुरानी सोच वाले.
Sir, आज्ञाकारी.
Paradoxical people. Paradoxical people. What do you mean by paradoxical people? पुरानी सोच वाले. Paradoxical means what? पुरानी सोच वाले. अरे वो ऐसा हो उधर से मत जा काली बिल्ली अगर आड़ी गई ना तेरा नुकसान हो जाएगा तू मर जाएगा काली बिल्ली आड़ी गई oh my god. That's what dogmatic means what? Pagan people. पुरानी सोच वाले लोग. Dogmatic. Next, diffident. What do you mean by diffident?
बहुत शायर रहते खुद के
Diffident, lacking confidence.
हाँ
Correct. Lacking confidence. Diffident are the people who are lacking confidence. जो जिसको confidence नहीं रहता है. Next, extrovert. What do you mean by extrovert? A person who has many friends. जिसके बहुत ज़्यादा friends होते हैं नहीं कैसा? सबके साथ में घुल मिल के रहता है बहुत ज़्यादा friends रहते हैं. That's what an extrovert person. Extrovert means what? A person who has many friends. A person who has many contacts and person who is very positive with people. That's what extrovert. And what do you mean by introvert? Yes Introvert,
I think
a
opposite.
person
Sir.
who, correct, it is the opposite of extrovert. A person who has no friends, no contacts, he keeps himself alone. जो अपने आप को alone रखता है, अकेला अकेला रहता है, that's what introvert. Extrovert
Which
जिसके
one?
बहुत सारे दोस्त रहेंगे, और introvert जिसका कोई दोस्त वगैरह कुछ नहीं रहता है, अकेला अकेला रहता है वो.
Sir, we can say lonely.
Lonely is not the exact word, but we can say introvert. Means what, ज्यादा लोगों से बात नहीं करता है, अकेला अकेला रहता है, ज्यादा लोगों को entertain नहीं
Correct.
करता है, that's what introvert. Yes,
Which one is right, sir? Introvert and extrovert.
both are correct, my dear, but
But
extrovert means what, the person who has many contacts, a person who
sir, I'm
be with the
telling.
people. Okay, which one is good? Correct.
Okay, sir.
It is up to the people, how people are shaping themselves. It's up to them. Next, introvert are the people who don't talk to even the people. Okay, दोनों में बीच वाले को क्या बोलेंगे? Sometimes they are being introvert and sometimes they are being extrovert. उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Ambivert. क्या बोलेंगे उनको?
Ambivert.
Correct. AMBIVERT. Ambivert. Okay. Ambivert. Ambivert
Sir,
are the
can you
people.
write this word in the? You share the file.
Okay, let me write there. Ambivert is what? Between extrovert and introvert. Okay. Extrovert is a person who has many friends, and introvert is a person who has no friends. He's being alone. Okay. Next, ambivert is the person who is in the middle. Next one, gregarious. What do you mean by gregarious? Gregarious. A person who helps financially. Gregarious. Madadgar. Gregarious. Madadgar. Next, inhibited. What do you mean by inhibited?
सर जो कोई चीज करने से बहुत ये कतराता है.
Correct. Inhibited. कोई चीज भी करने से कतराता है. Unsure. He's a kind of unsure person. Inhibited. कोई भी काम करने से कतराता है. Means what, ऐसे पीछे पीछे हटता है ज्यादातर. Inhibited. Lacking confidence and lacking self-image. Next, serious. What do you mean by serious? ये तो सबको पता ही रहेगा.
सर जो हमेशा हर बात को लेके ज्यादा ये होता है.
Correct. Means what, very casual person. Very serious, very casual person. हर एक बात को बहुत seriously लेता है. Truculent. What do you mean by truculent?
जो हमेशा सच बोलता है.
Correct. सच बोलने वाला हमेशा. But एकदम straight forward जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. Truculent.
Sir, I just guessed it.
Yes, it is correct. Truculent is a person who goes very straightforward. Okay, but these are the people who are very aggressive. Huh? Truculents are the people who are very aggressive as well. एकदम सीधा straight मुंह पे बात बोलते हैं ना. Those are what truculent people. कुछ भी रहने दो, सामने वाले को बुरा लगने दो, अच्छा लगने दो. Those are what truculent people. Next one, hostile. What do you mean by hostile? झगड़ालू. Always ready to fight. Always ready to fight. हाँ मेरे से कहीं को आ रहा. हाँ अब मैं तो तेरे को छोड़ूंगा नहीं. That's what hostile. हर टाइम झगड़े के लिए रेडी रहता है. Hostile. Next, cavalier. What do you mean by cavalier? Cavalier. Careless. Cavalier. Careless. Lazy. Careless. लापरवाह. कोई चीज की परवाह नहीं रहती है. They don't care anything. Next, defensive. What do you mean by defensive?
सर जो सबके बारे में सोचता है, जो सेफ करने के लिए करता है. सेफ कर.
Not exactly. A person who saves himself. A person who saves himself. That's it. मतलब है नहीं, खुद के ऊपर कोई blame नहीं लेता है वो. He doesn't take blame. That's what defensive. He takes no blame. Defensive. Next, aggressive.
सर जो किसके बारे में नहीं सोचता और सीधा ये कर देता है.
Aggressive.
जो खुद के बारे में सोचता है सर.
अरे किसी के बारे में नहीं सोचता वो. एग्रेसिव का मतलब होता है, हम लोग होते हैं ना बहुत ज्यादा ऐसा एग्रेसिव, बहुत ज्यादा झगड़े बिगड़े, बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा बिस्सा, एकदम हमेशा जोश में रहता है, एकदम मार डालूंगा, फोड़ डालूंगा, तेरे को पकड़ के तोड़ डालूंगा मैं. दैट्स व्हाट एग्रेसिव. Okay.
Yes.
Next one. Hypocrite. What do you mean by hypocrite?
Munafik.
Munafiq, dual character personality. सामने कुछ पीछे कुछ. Yes or no? Hypocrite. Next.
सर
Next.
मतलब
Egoistic.
सर
Yeah.
मतलब जिसको खुद पे बहुत ज्यादा ये होता है.
Egoistic is the person जिसके अंदर बहुत ज्यादा ईगो होता है. मैं पना. मैं बहुत कुछ हूँ. मैं बहुत भारी हूँ. मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. मैं वो कर सकता हूँ. Egoistic. Egoism. Next. Skeptical. What do you mean by skeptical? शक्की. शक करता है वो सब पे. इसके ऊपर शक करता है, उसके ऊपर शक करता है. अरे अच्छा तूने ऐसे किया था, अच्छा तूने वैसे किया था, अच्छा ये हुआ था. ये तो सबको बचपन से मालूम है. लविंग. इसके ऊपर तो अपनी पीएचडी हो गई है कि नहीं. नेक्स्ट. प्यारा. नेक्स्ट. लव. लॉयल. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय लॉयल? लॉयल.
किसी से लॉयल रहना.
वफादार.
वफादार.
नेक्स्ट. डोसाइल. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डोसाइल?
सर जो रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट रहता है हमेशा.
वेरी गुड.
कोई भी
वेरी
चीज.
गुड. वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड. उसको हम लोग बोल सकते हैं इजीली कंट्रोलेबल. इजीली कंट्रोलेबल. इजीली कंट्रोलेबल. स्पेशली मदर्स ऐसी रहती हैं. माँ इजीली कंट्रोलेबल. आओ अम्मी प्लीज प्लीज आज बचाओ ना मेरे को अब्बा की बेल्ट से. प्लीज 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 प्लीज. ओ मेरा बच्चा, मेरा लाल, मेरा मुन्ना. दैट्स व्हाट डोसाइल. ओके. मदर्स आर डोसाइल. इजीली कंट्रोलेबल. मम्मी को एकदम अच्छे से बॉटल में उतारते हैं कि नहीं. एकदम आओ मेरी मम्मी प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज. दैट्स व्हाट डोसाइल. नेक्स्ट. बैशफुल.
सर मतलब जो शाय होते हैं बहुत.
करेक्ट. शाय. बैशफुल. शर्मिला. शर्मिला खाला. नेक्स्ट. मेरी चेयरफुल. हैप्पी पीपल. मेरी चेयरफुल एकदम खुश मिजाज. आए है खुश. हैप्पी. नेक्स्ट. क्विक्सोटिक. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय क्विक्सोटिक? क्विक्सोटिक. क्विक्सोटिक. Zainab, my dear, what are you telling me?
कोई भी काम फटाक से करना.
Quixotic is no. वो क्विक वाला नहीं है वो. जैनब दीदी यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. इतनी भारी वोकैबुलरी मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ. ये वर्ड्स अपने स्कूल में जाके यूज करने का. टीचर भी गिर जाएंगे वहां पे सुनेंगे. ओ माय गॉड, जैनब इतनी अच्छी कैसे हो गई. ध्यान दो यहाँ पर प्लीज. स्टोरी अपन कल देखेंगे. सो क्विक्सोटिक इज द पर्सन who makes unnecessary plans in his minds which are innumerable and illogical. जिसको आप लोग बोलते हैं शेख चिल्ली. शेख चिल्ली सुना था कि नहीं? ख्याली पुलाव. मैं ऐसा करूंगा, मैं वैसा करूंगा, और आता ना जाता कुछ नहीं आता उसको. ऐसा करूंगा, वैसा करूंगा, ये करूंगा, वो करूंगा, अमका करूंगा, ढमका करूंगा. दैट्स व्हाट क्विक्सोटिक. ख्याली पुलाव खाली. आता ना जाता कुछ नहीं.
Sir,
नेक्स्ट. कैजुअल.
screen small. Can you do small screen? That left side word we can't.
लेफ्ट साइड का वर्ड क्या देखना है दोस्त मेरे. अपन पहले जो कर रहे थे उसके ऊपर ध्यान दो. नेक्स्ट. कैजुअल. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कैजुअल?
सर मतलब जो अपना रहता है.
हु इज नॉट सीरियस.
हाँ,
Friend.
अपने धुनकी में मस्त रहता है.
हाँ, अपनी धुनकी में मस्त रहता है. उसको बाकी लोगों को कुछ लेना देना नहीं रहता है. ऐसी फॉर एग्जांपल अभी किसी के दोस्त भी इसकी मैयत भी हो गए. तेरा अब्बा मर गए. कैसे मरे? अच्छा क्या ऐसा मर भी गए? मतलब यानी क्या वो
मतलब जिसको कुछ
सीरियस लेता
फर्क
नहीं.
नहीं पड़ता.
करेक्ट. फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. मींस व्हाट? अ पर्सन हु इज नॉट सीरियस. नेक्स्ट. एम्बिवैलेंट. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एम्बिवैलेंट? एम्बिवैलेंट. unsure person.
It's not ambition.
हमेशा. yes, unsure person means what? हमेशा वो कंफ्यूजन में रहता है. he is in dilemma. ऐसा होगा क्या, नहीं होगा, अरे ऐसा हो सकता है क्या, अरे नहीं वैसा हो सकता है क्या, नहीं ऐसा हो सकता है क्या, अरे ऐसा हो सकता है क्या, अरे ऐसा कर सकता हूँ क्या मैं, अरे ये वो आ सकता है क्या, अरे जा सकता है क्या. means unsure person. ugly.
सर मतलब जो बहुत रूड होता है.
अगली बदसूरत मतलब यानी उसके कैरेक्टर ही बंडल होता है एकदम बेकार. ये दिखने वाला अगली नहीं है, ये कैरेक्टर वाला अगली है. अब बोलते हैं ना बहुत ही फालतू आदमी है अगली. And short-tempered?
Kabir Singh.
Correct. बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है. That's what short-tempered.
जल्दी जल्दी गुस्सा आता है.
Correct. जल्दी जल्दी गुस्सा आता है, टेम्पर
Kabir
हिल जाता
Singh.
है उसका. Correct. That's what short-tempered is. What? गुस्से वाला. All right. Any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
Any questions?
No.
किसी का कुछ है भाई? जलन, कटन,
सर वो
सुजन, दुखन.
ख्याली पुलाव का
No, sir.
जो वर्ड है वो वापस एक बार रिपीट करो ना, प्रोनाउंसिएशन.
Quixotic.
Sir, what does mean
Quixotic.
deadline?
Quixotic. Deadline. डेडलाइन का मतलब होता है, अभी कैसे बोलूं, अभी
आखिरी
आपको
date.
हिंदी में कैसे बोलूं डेडलाइन?
आखिरी डेट है
आखिरी date.
सबमिशन की, आखिरी डेट.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. डेडलाइन, आखिरी डेट सबमिशन की.
Consequence.
क्या दोस्त?
Consequences.
क्रिसमस क्या?
Consequences.
मतलब if you do
Consequence.
something, उसके ये हो गया असर. ये करोगे तो उसका ये असर होगा. Consequence.
कॉन्सिक्वेंस के बारे में बोल रहे हो?
Sir,
Yes.
अगर आप ऐसा करेंगे तो मीन्स व्हाट, उसके रिजल्ट के बारे में बोल रहे हैं हम लोग. ऐसा
sir, I wanted
अगर
to.
ऐसा करेंगे ना तो ये हो जाएगा कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस.
Sir,
मतलब अभी कैसे बोलेंगे, अभी आपको रिजल्ट बोल सकते हैं उसका. व्हाट आर द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस ऑफ
नतीजा.
कम्युनिकेशन? नतीजा. करेक्ट. नतीजा.
Natija, sir.
ऐसे करे तो इसका.
करेक्ट. अगर ऐसे किया आपने तो वैसा होगा. जैसे कि
Sir.
फी नहीं भरा तो क्लास के बाहर जाएंगे अपन, एम्प्रेस गार्डन में क्लास होगा.
Sir, I had a doubt. I wanted to ask you.
यस, प्लीज आस्क मी.
Sir, you know, when someone's means mistake is there and that guy is not accepting his mistake but blaming the same mistake towards us, then what do we call that person?
Defensive. And he is the same person who's arguing with this, right? He's a kind of truculent person.
Sir, means if you are telling something good to him but he's taking it as a negative thought and just
Simply, this man is
Blaming
called
us.
pea brain, and he is called fat head, thin head, crackpot. He's
sir,
called
can you
fool.
tell some word for that?
उसको अपन ना अभी थोड़ा सा लोकल है पर थोड़ा सुनो. उसको उसके लिए एक वर्ड है जो कि अभी हम लोगों ने इन्वेंट किया है. उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग झंडू. उसको कुछ आता ही नहीं है. उसको सीधा अगर अपन बता रहे भाई ऐसे जाना है तो और ऐसे जाता है, वो ऐसे जाना है और ऐसे जाता है. और उसको बोलेंगे हम लोग नो, इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे उसको?
Yes, sir.
उसको बोलेंगे हम लोग, सिंपल सा है वर्ड उसके लिए, क्रैकपॉट. ढक्कन, महाढक्कन.
Sir, can we have word for stupid?
Pardon?
Stupid, we have a word. Only or stupid we have.
Stupid
We have,
बहुत local
we
लगता
have,
है.
we have many words for stupid.
Fish.
I have given this. For example, loopy.
Yes, yes.
For example, bonkers. For example, pillock. For example, cook. For example, dolt. For example, pea brain,
Sir, you have taught this. I have said someone pillow.
fat head. Very good. Thin head.
Sir, you taught in
Correct.
this class only.
Correct. ये सब हमारे पास words है stupid के लिए. We can say moron.
Sir, Charlie
We
also.
can say
Yes, Charlie.
we can say we can say myopic. We can say Charlie. And there are many other words for stupid we have. एक stupid जो बदल दे अपनी दुनिया. कितना भारी word है. किस एक word के लिए कितने सारे words है अपने पास में. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Go and use these words informally. But सामने वाले को पता नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर कभी पता चले, then may God help you. फिर वो आपको छोड़ेगा नहीं. All right. By the way, I want you to go through the recordings of this. I want you to go through all these things, these words and all, as if you have written these words meanings. I want you to make one good article tomorrow. You're going to describe one personality and you're going to use these words. Okay?
Sir, how
You
to
can use
explain a
these words.
personality?
How to explain a personality. That is what I'm going to show you tomorrow. I'll give you first, and then you can make your own. After telling a story, then we are going to have another article on best personality. All
Sir,
right.
we have story tomorrow.
Yes, we have a story tomorrow. Yes, I
Sir,
know,
it
my
should be
dear. We have a
motivational,
story
na?
So we
tomorrow.
want to make an article also.
Yes, 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 yes. That article I'll tell you here. Then you have to make it itself over here. Till that, we are going to have the stories from each and every one of you. One motivational story you're going to tell here. All right. I want you to have here motivational stories on the camera. That is what storytelling we are going to learn tomorrow. Okay. I'll be showing you tomorrow how to tell a story in English. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheerio. Please practice at home. Take
Sayonara.
care. Bye bye.
Good night, sir.
Sayonara.
Sir, I will mail you till midnight.